I'm sorry, my English gets broken when nervous.
What happened? Tell me calmly.
Today is the day. My big interview. I hope I don't make mistakes. Good morning. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. Hey, big day. Are you ready?
I am ready, but my English, I still make mistakes.
Hey, don't worry about it. You're doing great. We can practice together. Mistakes are okay. Just speak slowly and clearly. Thank you. I can do this.
I hope they don't ask hard questions.
Okay, practice time. Tell me about yourself, Mr. Reyes.
My name is Daniel. I have 3 years of experience.
Perfect.
Perfect.
See? You're better than you think.
Okay. Deep breath. I can do this.
Good luck. Call me after, okay?
One interview. One chance. Let's go. The bus stop is close. I have 20 minutes. Where is the bus? Come on, come on. The bus is late. I need another way. Taxi! Please, I need a taxi! "123 Main Street, please. I am in a hurry. 10 minutes left. Please, no traffic."
Oh no. Traffic. Not now. Keep the change. Thank you.
This is it. Stay calm, Daniel. Okay. Time to go inside.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi. I'm looking for a conference room reservation under the name Wilson.
Hello, I have an interview at 10 o'clock. My name is Daniel Reyes.
Okay, let me check that for you, Mr. Reyes. Please take a seat. Someone will be right with you. Great. Please have a seat. Someone will call you soon.
Relax. Just relax. The man breathes out slowly, smoothing the folder with a dry hand.
Daniel Reyes?
Yes, that is me. I mean, I am him.
Nice to meet you. I'm Patricia. Follow me.
Thank you for meeting me today.
Of course, Daniel. So tell me about yourself, Daniel.
Well, I've always been passionate about the human resources field, especially employee development.
I have 3 years experiences in customer service. I am very hard worker.
Great. Can you tell me about a challenge you solved at your last job? At my previous job, we had a major client deadline approaching, and our team faced unexpected technical difficulties.
One time, customer was very angry. I make him happy again.
Oh, Sorry.
Don't worry, happens all the time.
Thank you. I am a little nervous today.
It's okay to be nervous. Just tell me the truth.
Can I say something honest?
Of course, please.
English is not my first language. Sometimes I mix up my words.
I understand. Please continue.
But I learn every day. I practice with my roommate. I am not perfect, but I try very hard.
That's exactly what we look for. Effort and honesty.
Really? I thought my English mistakes were a problem.
Everyone makes mistakes, Daniel. Attitude matters more.
Thank you for understanding. That means a lot to me.
Well, I think we have everything we need today.
Thank you so much for your time.
We will call you very soon. Have a great day, Daniel. Thank you, Patricia. You too.
I did it. I actually did it.
Hello, this is Daniel.
Congratulations, Daniel. You got the job.
No way, you are kidding me. Thank you so much. Seriously, I'm so excited. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes! Thank you so much! Alex, I got the job. Honesty won. I knew you could do it. Congratulations, buddy.